Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene stopping by real quick. Oh, and happy Monday. I think today is Monday. Y'all know how these days be running. They be knocking each other down trying to bypass us, okay? So these are some bevels. And then what I did is I painted inside the bevel, and then I put down a little sealer, and then I went ahead and glued the beads in with that E6000. And if you wanted to, you could put some resin, but I don't like to use resin. It makes it look manufactured. A couple people were asking me about the resin. Do I not use it because of the yellowing or why? I just don't like resin. It makes it look manufactured. So when I look at these, I just see raw handmade pieces. And that's how I like for mine to look. If you like resin, by all means use the resin. And I know it probably adds another layer of security, to the item when it's in the bezel. But for me, I've made them. I wear them where I've glued beads in the bezel on the metal, and I still got them. Nothing has happened to them. So anything that I make, I generally would test it out myself. I'll wear it before I offer it to anybody else. But these are some of the goodies for today. You guys let me know what you think about these. I like them. So I'm gonna come back with some more later. Enjoy the rest of your day.